Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. I'm super excited to share this project with you. I used the 3D embellishment book die again from Scrapdiva Designs, but I made something different. It's different than the mini album, which I know I owe you that tutorial, and that will be coming up. But I have this project share, then I will have a video on how to put this together, and then another video with another tutorial after that. Once you see my project, you'll know why. So let me go ahead and share with you the dies that I used from Scrapdiva Designs. Of course, I told you I used the 3D embellishment book, and I have a video that shows the mini album that I created. I also have a video with the flowers that I created with this die. And then I have this project right here. And the only dies I didn't use in this set were the words, the flowers this time, and this piece right here. I had to make a little bit bigger for what I made, and you'll see. But I used everything else in this die set. This is a great one for your stash because there's so many different things that you can do with it. Next, I used an oldie but goodie, and you'll see where I use this when I show you my project. This is the mini envelope die set, and there's two sizes with it, and I used the small one. And then I also used the uppercase alphabet and number set, and I created a Halloween word out of this, and I'll show it to you. So before I show you my project, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, welcome. Won't you please consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. We have lots of tutorials and project shares on here, so I would love to have you be part of my Carol's Craft Cottage family. And for all my returning friends, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So let's go ahead and look at this project. So I'm going to pull this one in first. And I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I will tell you that I did use My Porch Prints, Cottage Girls, the Halloween Fall Edition. And I just purchased these. These were out last year. Maybe you got them. I know I love the Cottage Girls, and you see them a lot on my project. But I just purchased the set of the Fall and Halloween ones recently. This is just a die set from my stash that I used to make the flowers. This, of course, is the embellishment book. And you can see here that I put the word boo on the spine. I would love to put a charm dangle on this spine, but I need it to be flat when it's open, so I didn't do that. So when you open this up, you will see that inside I have the mini envelopes on the album, inside album cover, and then here I used double of this part of the die. So I made this twice, and normally that would be glued on here, but I glued mine in the center. And these are little drawers, and I will show you in another one of these because I didn't have time to make them all. But in another one of these, I'll show you what we're going to put inside and what I'm going to teach you to make. So this is the inside of the 3D embellishment book, okay? And of course I made them for Halloween. Now let me pull this one into view so you can see this one. Isn't she beautiful? I just love these colors. I love the orange color for Halloween, and I just love these images. So this one I did with a silver. Here is the look on the side. And here we have the inside of our box, okay? And I'm going to show you what I have in my drawers. So I'm calling this project a 3D bracelet box book. And here are the bracelets that I put in the box. So this is great for gift giving. So you could give 4 sets of bracelets to someone in a box. Now I did 5 bracelets, a set of 5 bracelets in different, what do you call them, themes. So this one says spooky, ghost, and of course I've got ghosts on there. And this one says boo, and it's in the traditional black, white, and orange with charms. Okay, that's in box number 1, and I'm not going to take your time and show you, take much time putting it all back together. Then we have this one here in this box, and this is the Hocus Pocus, and you can see it's in white, orange, purple, and black, and I have some spiders on that one. There's a pumpkin on this one. This one says Pocus, and this one says Hocus, so that's got a little bat, and this one has a little witch, and then this one just has a spider. All right, and then we have another set in this one. So this is all set for late September, early October, for the month of October. So this one, I love candy corn things. I don't eat candy corn, but I love the colors of candy corn. So I made that one. And of course it says candy corn. Here's the candy, and it has a little candy corn charm, and this one too has a smiley face, candy corn, and this says candy corn. And then I had some beads with candy corn, you could see that, and then this one here. All right, and then the next one in this one here is the colors of green, orange, black, and white. And this one is sort of just a one that says haunted, and it's got a little, haunted house. This is a skeleton. This one is just the colors, it's plain. This one says scary, and it has a little not a mummy, but a skeleton. And then this one, of course, you could see it matches the colors with the green and the orange, and it's just a little pumpkin. So yes, I'm going to show you how to make the bracelets so that you can make yourself a bracelet box. And I will tell you that this is such a wonderful gift to give to someone, and not only for Halloween, but if you do Christmas ones. And I will be sharing with you my Christmas one that I make. So I'm not going to put all that back in there, but I will show you that I made this over here, these little envelope pockets, because I make earrings to go with my bracelets. And you can see they're little hoops, and I just tuck them in here, and I think they would be fine without being in the plastic, but I already had them in the plastic, so I stuck them in there because the envelopes are kind of tight. So these are just some of the earrings that I made to go with the bracelets that you saw that I just showed you. And one more here. Here's the green set, and I need to do the silver set. I have to go pick up some silver hoops because I don't have any right now, but I will be making it to go in here. So isn't that cute? So not only is this cute for Halloween, but it could be for Christmas, it could be for Valentine's Day, it could be for Easter, it could be for back to school. Just think how cute this would be to give to a teacher with bracelets in it, with a back to school, because Scrapdiva Design had a lot of back to school type of dies not too long ago. I think it was a year or so ago. And you could make something like this for a teacher and they would absolutely love it. And so I'll show you this one here. It says boo. And I did the tutorial with this one, so the tutorial is already done. You don't have to worry about waiting for the tutorial because it will be after this video. And here's the inside. Here's for your little earrings, and here's for your little bracelets. I just think this is super cute, and I couldn't get this project off my mind. So I will have the tutorial for the bracelets after the tutorial to put this book together. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Of course, I'm going to leave links to the dies in the description box, and they are affiliate links which don't cost you anything extra but help me in my channel. You can also use Carol10 at checkout. And until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.